Hi everyone, welcome. If you're new here, hello, my name is Melanie, and if you're returning friends, thank you for coming back and watching another video here on our channel. For today's video, we will be unboxing our January deck of Scarlet. You guys, this unboxing is special because this box was sent to me in PR. I know, I'm so excited. So Miss Vianney Strick is gonna be their artist-in-chief for the month of January. She DM'd me and she told me that she's gonna be the artist-in-chief for January and she would like to send one my way. I was like, what? Me? You thought about me? So thank you so much, Vianney. I really do appreciate that you thought about me, so thank you so much for sending one my way. If you guys are not familiar with Deck of Scarlet, it is a monthly makeup subscription. You can do monthly and you can do bi-monthly. I remember they used to just have bi-monthly and now they added a monthly, so you will pay the same price, $29.95. so check that out. It's going to be in the description below. I've done unboxing for Deck of Scarlet. I will link some videos if you guys are interested. So we created this look right here on my face using the products in this month's box. So I'm not going to say too much. I'm not going to say what's in the box. You guys need to watch this unboxing. Please do watch the unboxing and make sure you guys give this video a thumbs up if you are enjoying this look so far, if you are enjoying my videos so far, and also please do subscribe to my channel and do turn on that notification bell so you guys don't miss out on any of my future uploads. Again, thank you so much, Vianney. So let's go unbox. So before we get into creating something with this box, I want to show you what it looks like. So this is not a first impression. I've already opened this box. I swatched it. So the palette is not like a brand new palette. You know, it's been swatched, it's been loved. So I just want to show you what your box will look like if you decide to subscribe to them or just purchase this palette on its own. So this is what the box will look like when you order your Deck of Scarlet box. So this is Vianney, you guys. It says meet Vianney Strick. So she has a YouTube channel here as well, and also she has Instagram. All her social is going to be in the description, so please check her out. And she also just came out with merch, so please do support that as well. And if you do decide to go to I'm sure you know who she is, but if you don't and you go to her YouTube or her Instagram, please let her know that Melanie sent you. So this is Vianney right here. She said, "Hi squad, my name is Vianney Strick. I'm so excited to announce that I will be this month's artist-in-chief. I hope you enjoy this day to night palette and this gorgeous glitter liner. I can't wait to see the looks that you come up with. Thanks for all the love and support." I really appreciated that they collaborate with a content creator here on YouTube and also on Instagram. You know, you can be one of their artists-in-chief and you can help them create looks for the box that they picked you. So I think that is pretty neat. So this is the edition number 16. Let's get into the box again. So you open this and it will reveal the palette, and also she mentioned on the card that we do have a glitter liner right here. So all the palettes, you guys, are limited edition, but you can also go on their site and you can purchase it individually for, you know, the past palettes that they have on their boxes. You can go on their site and you can purchase them. They have so many to choose from, you guys. I love their packagings on their palettes. It is so cute, it is so creative, it's definitely unique, so definitely check them out. So let's go ahead and see the palette first. So this is what our palette looks like, and this is just the sleeves, you guys. So you push it up. The inside and the outside are the same, but they do add a little bit of touches to it to make it different. So I think that is pretty neat as well. Another thing that I love about Deck of Scarlet is the palette is so different, you guys. So they separate their powders to their cream form, so you don't get all the gunk on your cream form. So they always have two lippies on their palette. It will be down here. I will show you guys in a minute. So I think it's pretty cool. Like I said, you guys, just a little warning, this is not a brand new palette. I have swatched this, so it is a bit used already. So you will get a good size mirror right here. Don't want to blind you. So we have a highlighter and a blush. This is Mindful and this is Blush the Plush. I don't know, that tickles me. So they always have a highlighter, a blush, sometimes they have a bronzer, and then on the top they always have 3 shadows. So you have your matte shadows right here, Serenity, and then you have your 2 shimmer right here. You have Haven and Unwind. You guys, you can use this on a daytime. Just, you know, put this 2 on your lid, you're good to go. And then at night you can just add Unwind and you're good to go for the nighttime, the nightlife. This is a day to nighttime palette. And then on the other side right here is your lippies, you guys. So we have Cozy Vibes and Suede. I don't think I will get to use Suede. Yeah, probably not, but I can see me using this on the lid, you guys, as a base, and then set it with this one. I think that would be a pretty cute look as well. I will definitely get a use out of this one, and I also can see Vianney use this shade right here. I think this is her vibe right here. We have the 3 shadows up top right here, and then we have the highlighter, the blush, and then we have the 2 lippy up here. Let's go ahead and talk about the glitter liner. So this is in the shade Violet Aura. So this is what it looks like. It's definitely a purple shimmer glitter liner, so you can use this all over your lid, and you can also use this as a like a wing liner. I have no idea what I'm gonna use this for, but we will get a use out of it for sure. So this is the glitter liner up here. It is so pretty. When the light hits it, it definitely reflects so many colors, but the main color is definitely purple. You can see pinks in there. I'm gonna go ahead and prep the lid and let's get to creating. First thing I'm gonna do is, wait, that's not the first thing that I want to do, but the first thing that I'm going to take is this one right here, Serenity. I'm going to take that and set our lid. I've already prepped and primed my lid. I've used the E.L.F concealer, which is the only thing that I use these days for concealer and for concealer. There's no shadows up here that we can use for the crease, but no worries. We can take Plush the Blush and we're going to use this on our crease. Now I'm going to take Unwind. This one, I know this one has a shimmer, but I'm going to put this on my crease. We just got to trust the process and just hope that it works. So I'm going to take this and apply this on my crease. I'm probably going to dust this on the outer V as well to give us that little bit of, you know, darkness on the outer. I really want more darkness on the outer, so I am going to take the Suede. I'm going to use this as a base and then put some more Unwind. Is it Unwind? Yes, Unwind. And hopefully that will make it darker. You know what? I'm going to use my finger. Now I'm going to go back to Unwind and we're going to set that. I went ahead and cleaned up the lid, you guys. I just used the E.L.F concealer. So now let's take this shade right here. This is Haven. This is going to go in the space where we cleaned up. And then I'm going to take Unwind and we're going to put that on the outer part right here so we can blend those shades together. You just gotta go back and forth with those 2 shades till you get it to where you like the blend. I'm also gonna take the highlighter and we're gonna add more light to the inner part. Just bring more light right here. That's all I'm gonna do to the eyes. Now let's go ahead and take the glitter liner, you guys. you know where this is going. We are going to highlight that crease right there. I think it will be pretty right there. So we're going to take the glitter liner. I have to get close and personal with this, so I have to use a smaller mirror. So if it gets blurry, I'm so sorry, because my camera doesn't have an autofocus, so sorry. Oh, that is pretty. This just adds so much to the look, you guys. This is where we're at right now. I added some falsies. I use the Vianney and Delarza Cosmetics collaboration. This is in Princesa. This is what I have on right now. All the products that I'm going to be using on the face that I didn't mention is going to be in the description below. I'm also going to use the lip liner with this collaboration, but I will show you guys later. Let's go ahead and add some blush. Let's go back to the palette and take the blush and just load up a brush and just load up the cheeks. You guys, I've already done the lower, as you guys can tell. Just use the blush and then unwind. That's all I did. So I also used a deck of Scarlet mascara. This is black out, so really good on the lower, you guys. Definitely lengthen my lashes. Now let's go and take this highlighter right here and add a little bit of, not a little bit, a lot of glow to our skin. As you guys can tell, it does have like a pearlescent tint to it. Oh, this is gonna be so pretty on the lid as well. Just a little bit on the nose. I'm also going to take this and put it on our brow bone. And this is definitely going to be on the inner corner. Now you guys, let's finish this look with the lippy. So I line my lips with the Delarza Cosmetics and Vianney Strick collaboration. This is her lip liner in Squad. She also have a liquid lipstick, like a combo with this. All of this is going to be in the description below if you guys are interested. So now let's go back into the palette. So I'm so excited that we got to use every single thing in this palette. So now I'm just going to take my fingers and we're going to take Cozy Vibes. And we're just going to put that there. Right there. That's one thing that I wish that deck of Scarlet would put on their box is lip liner, especially with their cream formula. You guys, it is so creamy. It glides on your lips. It is so comfortable. So it definitely does glide everywhere. It does bleed through your lips. So it definitely wear a lip liner. So maybe they can add like a little bit of, like just a small pencil right here on the corner. I think that would be cool. So you guys, this is the final look. What do you guys think? Let me know on the comment section what you think about this look. I really did enjoy this palette. Love how this look turned out. It is definitely great for New Year's, you guys. You can rock this for New Year's. You can put this all over your lid. Just do the shadow that I did and then put this all over your lid. Definitely gonna be blinding everybody at the New Year's Eve party, because this right here is definitely so reflective. So again, Vianney, thank you so much for sending one my way. So if you guys want to support my girl Vianney, everything is going to be in the description below. So Vianney, what do you think about this look that I created with this palette? I cannot wait to see what you create with this palette. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you haven't subscribed, please do so, and like always, I will catch you on my next one. Bye guys.